What's up, guys? So I just want to make this quick YouTube video. We're at the Pelican Hill Coliseum Grill. I'm with my boy Hayden Bunn. He's helping me out with a lot of my marketing for RSC Pools, the consulting offer. We're enjoying like a really cool brunch, poolside, beachside at the famous Pelican Hill. I don't know if you guys ever been here, but it's like poolside view. We got the beach over there, Newport Beach. So, man, this view, hanging out at this hotel is so freaking sick. We're gonna walk down here. We're gonna get some work done now by the pool. So I brought my laptop, brought my swim trunks, brought my towel and everything. We're gonna chill out there. We're gonna hang out by the pool and like finish that. It'll be super dope. What do you think about Pelican Hill?
I'm trying to leave.
See, he's having so much fun. He doesn't even want to leave. I always like making like mindset vlogs at table. So that'll be dope. But we'll be back. We'll be back. A lot of good vibes. Hayden is visiting us. I was just in Scottsdale with him. He's originally from Tampa, but he moved out to Scottsdale. How long were you in Scottsdale for? Like a year, right?
2 years.
2 years. So he was out in Scottsdale for like 2 years, and it's really cool because Hayden and I, thank you so much, appreciate it. We got some burrata to start. This thing looks awesome, but Hayden, actually, how did we meet? We met through YouTube, huh? So Hayden and I connected through YouTube. So this is why it's so important putting yourself out there, making content, and just building your brand, because if it wasn't for that, I would have never met Hayden and we wouldn't have built the relationships, the connections, and everything that we're doing, which is really cool. And kind of the same thing goes for me. If I was never able to put myself out there, put myself in this situation and network and want to connect with like-minded individuals, you know, we wouldn't be here today. He wouldn't be helping me out with some ad campaigns and some creatives and a lot of that stuff. So it's really cool. It just goes to show you guys that you can basically achieve anything if you put yourself out there, connect with other like-minded individuals. And yeah, man, we're enjoying like a really cool brunch, poolside, beachside at the famous Pelican Hill.
You put more shit out in the world, so you're gonna get more back for doing it. 100%.
Yeah, I mean, a lot of the things that I noticed growing up with my hometown and my friends, or my old friends, my old family that I don't really talk to too much anymore, a lot of them have limiting beliefs of like, oh, you know, money is evil, or making, you know, more than $10,000 a month is unrealistic, quote unquote. But again, you know, it is gonna be those things that hold you back. Like a lot of people, the reason 90% of people that I've seen, 99% of people that I've seen, the only reason why they're not where they want to be is literally because of themselves. So you have to really sit there and think about it and be like, why not me? Why can't I be the person who makes X amount? Why can't I be the person who lives in beautiful, you know, Newport Beach, California, like one of the most gorgeous cities and probably the best city, in my opinion, in the entire world? You know, why can't I be the person who drives Bugattis, supercars, that owns a $5 million yacht? Things like that, because all these things that you guys see around us, the trees, this resort, the cars, the houses, these things are all man-made. These things were made by other humans, you know, and other humans, you know, everyone bleeds, everyone sweats, everyone cries, everyone has the same 24 hours in a singular day. So you have to reflect and really ask yourself, why can't I be the person who's ultra successful? Why can't I be the person who makes billions of dollars in a single year? At the end of the day, the reason you're not going to get to where you want to be, yeah, you know, luck is involved, skill, all of those things, opportunity, but your mindset and your own limiting beliefs about where you can be and what level of success you can achieve, it's all going to come down to you. And if at the end of the day, if you don't believe that you can't achieve something, it's not going to happen. Just as one of my favorite books that I've ever read, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, says, is if you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hand, and you can bring it into your physical reality. So, you know, like in my life, before I started any of this YouTube stuff, before I started any business, vlogging, any type of entrepreneurial thing, like I visually saw my success and where I wanted to be, and I journal and consistently do all of those things because I know what I want from my life. I know where I'm headed. It's a really cool exercise that has genuinely changed my life. You know, I've always envisioned of where I wanted to be, and I've sat there ever since I was like 5, 8 years old and told myself, like, I'm gonna have supercars. I'm gonna be living in the most beautiful city that I want to. I'm gonna own these things. I'm gonna build this business that is gonna, you know, be very successful and take me very far. And I'm gonna have awesome friends, awesome connections, such as, you know, my friend who's visiting me here, Hayden Bunn. It's crazy because a lot of people will not even drive down the street. Like a lot of your old friends or people that you know are not gonna make 5-10 minutes to drive down the street or hang out with you, even though you guys live in the same hometown, you know. But this guy lives on the other side of the United States, and then he moved to Arizona, which is a little bit closer than me. But yeah, man, a lot of those people are not gonna make the effort to be friends with you or build those connections. The only people who are gonna be willing to do those things are people who want the same things that you want. When you hang out with people who talk about business ideas or have the same plans, have the same goals that you do, it's very energizing. It's, you know, you kind of feel like this feeling of like, damn, like this person wants the same things I do. Therefore, you know, we can brainstorm off of each other, we can learn off of each other, and it just makes getting to your goals, it makes crushing your goals that much easier. One of the biggest mindset shifts that a lot of people need to have, you need to understand that the biggest reason you're not going to grow and the biggest reason why you're going to continue to stay the same is because of your own limiting beliefs. And I see it time and time again. As you guys know, I'm Hispanic. Statistically, people of Hispanic or Latino race or ethnicity, they're in the bottom percentile of earning capability, along with I think African Americans. This is statistically, so you guys can look this up, but a lot of people in Hispanic culture unfortunately have like this broken limiting belief mindset that like, oh, I can't achieve this, I can't do this, I can't make $1 million in a year, I can't make $100 million in a year, and there's really nothing stopping you besides your own self-belief. Yes, there is systems you need to have in place, there is marketing, there's managerial skills that you guys need to learn, but the number one thing, the very number one thing that is going to hold you back is your own limiting beliefs, and then just telling yourself that you can actually achieve these things. Like, as you guys know, I was in college like literally less than 2 years ago, and this whole growth, everything that you guys have seen with my business and all the other things that I'm building, all this stuff has happened in less than 2 years, which is freaking mind-blowing. But as you guys can see on this channel, if you go back through all my old content, I was still doing a lot of videos on marketing, investing, building my business, you know, running ads, things like that. And it just goes to show you that you're not going to be successful with your first business, you're not going to be successful with your third business even, but as long as you consistently continue to build upon those skills, learn marketing, learn sales, learn how to speak on camera, you know, learn how to communicate with your ideal clients, you guys are going to get very far in life. You're going to be very successful, because all of those skills, whether it takes you 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, all of those skills are going to compound on top of each other, and you know, you guys are just going to make it really, really far in life. And that's kind of like the mindset that you need to have. As long as you consistently stick with something and you work hard every single day, there is no reason that you will not be successful. But again, it all comes down with you actually believing in yourself, because self-belief is such a huge superpower. Your own self-belief is going to get you way farther in life than any course, than any book, than any connection or mentor or boss or CEO, because at the end of the day, it is all up to you. Nobody's going to do the work for you. No one's going to build the business for you. There's going to be people that are willing to help you and willing to show you the way, but at the end of the day, you have to put in 99% of the work yourself. And it's not easy, but it is 100% achievable. So yeah, just sit there, reflect, and ask yourself, why can't I be the person who makes $1 million a year? Why can't I be the person who makes $1 billion a year? Those small limiting beliefs, or those limiting beliefs that, you know, if you're fine with making 50K a year, 100K a year, those beliefs, you're going to constrain yourself, and you are the number one reason that, you know, you're probably not where you want to be in life, because you're holding yourself back. You know, you probably need to invest in your sales skills. You need to invest in some type of mentorship, some type of course, because you're not going to be able to do everything yourself in the beginning. You're going to need to find somebody. You're going to need to get help, whether it's paying somebody, going to work for somebody for free, or just doing a ton of research online. But you're going to have to put a lot of work up front just to learn those skills, you know, to get you to where you want to be. So that's kind of like my piece of advice to you. If you guys want to make it far in life, if you guys want to consistently see yourself continuing to grow in your personal development and your business year over year, continue to put yourself in uncomfortable situations, continue to network with like-minded individuals, you know, such as Hayden here. And the biggest or the most powerful form that you're able to do that in 2026 and in the 21st century is making social media content. So yeah, that's my piece of advice to you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick YouTube video. I'm gonna wrap it up soon here because my camera is about to die. But yeah, you know, I'm really happy that I'm actually here, being able to enjoy some time with one of my closest friends. You know, we're talking a bunch of stuff about business, our future goals, a lot of the things that we have planned that we will be achieving in our lifetimes. So yeah, you know, I'm gonna close this video out. I'll probably do like some more short form mindset segment vlogs like this, but yeah, man, again, this fucking view is phenomenal. If you guys have never checked out Southern California or Newport Beach, come visit, because this place is freaking sick. But yeah, we're out. Peace.